Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup with my Ipsy Glam bag from July 2020. I hope that you enjoy. For the first product, we have a hydrating primer from Ciate, which I do love Ciate. Am I even saying it right? But it is such a nice primer. It smells really good. At first I was like, the smell is going to be a little bit overpowering, but it's actually really nice. It gave me just a little bit of shine, just a tiny bit, not a lot, but it made my skin really nice. I also went ahead and put my primer, my e.l.f. primer on top just to be safe. And then I also used the Ciate translucent powder from Ipsy. I'm always surprised by how good my match is because I'm the one who picked the foundation, so I'm always like, okay. I also got this brush from Ipsy. I try to use as much Ipsy products that I could, and I love this brush that I got from Ipsy. It's one of my favorite brush ever. Have one eyeshadow, which is a shimmer. I'm going to be using some other palettes just to have like a matte. So I'm just using this purple color since the shimmer seems to be a purple. I'm not sure where I got this blending brush. It is my favorite brush of all time. However, I just don't know where I got it from. This palette is also from Ipsy, and I only like one shade out of the whole palette. And I also forgot to mention that this is the last box that I have received from Ipsy. I have decided to cancel my subscription with Ipsy. Maybe I'll do another video as to why I have canceled my subscription. But if you enjoy videos like this, you can let me know. I can definitely renew my subscription just to put out videos for you guys. I was so excited about this. I literally caught my personality in this video, which is getting excited about little things. I tried to use a brush, but it didn't do a good job. So I went ahead and used my hands, and honestly, period. This eyeshadow is really nice. I don't know that it's worth the price though. It's a bit hefty for $20-something for just one eyeshadow. The eyeshadow got everywhere, and I did not lay any powder to catch the fall, and so it was really messy. But yeah, for $29, I don't know that it's worth it. The glitters are very chunky, it gets everywhere. So if you have this eyeshadow, make sure that you lay down a translucent powder to catch all the fallout. Using this brush from Ipsy, it's the Farrah collection, and honestly it was so hard to get this eyeshadow under my eyes. It almost messed up the whole look. Next up, we have this mascara from Tarte, which one thing that I could say about Ipsy is that I always get the nice mascaras, but I love the color of the packaging. My lashes are very short, and this did a pretty good job. If you're someone with longer lashes, this would be nice. It also has a really nice wand, so it's really nice. It made me happy. Lastly, we have this lip oil, which I'm not really a fan of lip oil because they make my lips so dry and I just don't use them. But this one was pretty nice. It was pretty hydrating. It was really nice. I'm actually in love with this one. Surprisingly, I love everything in this collection. So lastly, we have this mask. I did not get too used to show you guys, but this mask is not really for me. It's probably the one thing that I was excited for that didn't work out because it made me super duper oily, but that's about it. So out of all the 5 products, I love 4. This box actually makes me want to renew my subscription, but I don't know yet. Please let me know if you like videos like this. I shall make more. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in another one. Bye.